Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer right here, let's activate the keypad, and let's use the first secret code, so the Android testing menu. Let's input asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. As you can see, testing menu just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. You can choose phone information, when you can read such stuff as email number, phone number, current network, signal strength, location. You may run a ping test, or even you can choose one of the following options right here: turn off the radio or turn off the SMS over the IMS. Let's go back. You can also choose the battery information, and you can read here such stuff as battery status, power plug, battery level, battery scale, battery health, and even the battery temperature. Here you can choose the usage statistics. This is the list of the application from your device, and you can read the last time used or usage time. Let's go back again. You can choose Wi-Fi information. Here you can select Wi-Fi API, when you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configured networks, or get connection info. You may also go back and choose Wi-Fi config. If you have some networks, you will see the configuration of them. Let's go back, and you can choose also the VLAN status. Here you can refresh or start or run a ping test. Let's go back a couple of times. Let's quit the Android testing menu. This time let me show you how to check the calendar info. So let's input the asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk. As you can see, calendar info just pops up. You can read about the events from contacts, holidays important, PC synchronization, and other stuff. Let's go back. You may also check Google Play services. So let's use the asterisk hash 426 hash asterisk. The Google Play services just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, events, status, and read this information. Yeah, let's go back, and this time let's open the Debug UI. So let's use the asterisk hash 759 hash asterisk. Debug UI just pops up. Here you can view client's IDs, change OEM mode, or read this specification. Let's go back, and at the end let me show you how to check email number by using that secret code. So let's use the asterisk hash 06 hash, and the email number just pops up. You may close this in the window very easily by tapping OK. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.